CopyWagon Review 2025 Legit Copy Trading App are risky. Honest explained. Most people get this wrong by assuming all copy trading apps guarantee profits. The surprising truth is that CopyWagon is legitimate, but trading always carries risk, and platform reliability is crucial. CopyWagon allows users to copy trades from experienced traders automatically. This can save time and provide exposure to strategies you might not execute on your own. You won't believe how much easier it is to enter complex markets without deep knowledge. However, profits are not guaranteed and losses are possible. Fees apply for certain traders, and you must carefully select whom to copy based on performance history. The surprising truth is that even seasoned traders experience volatility, so diversification and cautious investment are key. In conclusion, CopyWagon is a legitimate tool for learning and leveraging trading strategies, but use small amounts, research traders carefully, and understand that risk is inherent to all markets.